Here I am restoring a sun-faded marker lens on my Goldwing GL1500. If you see the cloudy and discoloration from the sun, you can see where I've already started to begin with my heat gun. Simple $10 heat gun from Harbor Freight. I just thought I'd give it a shot and see how it does. If you take your time with it, very careful, because as soon as it gets to the right point, it starts to restore the color. See that? But you go too far, you're not careful, it's going to start to bubble and white, kind of like that piece of the lens does. However, replacement set of these is about 40 to 60 bucks or so, I think, at least. But I figured I'd give this a shot, and hey, if it worked, it just saved me, from buying another one, at least temporarily. I could probably replace these eventually here, but if you see, this is going to do just as good. Without having to replace them. Be very careful again. And boys and girls, that's how you restore a sun-faded marker lens. But don't do this. Don't do that. But hey, it's much better than it was. I do say so myself. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Look for more to come.